Hello friends, I'm Dr. Jamil Nadaf. I'm a practicing homeopath in Miraz. I'm also a lecturer of homeopathic materia medica in Dr. J.J. Muktu Homeopathic Medical College. So we had started this rheumatism series. We have seen two cases. We will see the third case today. And the remedy that is prescribed in this case is very often used in this condition of rheumatoid arthritis. It is a case of 26 years old female. You see such young age, 26 years old female's case. She is having swelling of joints. She is having swelling of mostly right sided joints are affected. The right wrist is swollen, the finger joints are swollen, the shoulder is painful. Okay, and she has been diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis since 1 year. And since 1 year, she has been taking all the treatment modalities. Mostly, recently she has taken injection Kenacort. So it is a steroid injection, but still the pain has persisted, and so she has opted for homeopathy. So when she came to me, she had this all swelling. The movement of the joints was very difficult, and she had taken these all medicines, but still there was very red swelling on the joints. So such young age and arthritis. So I inquired more about the case. And after inquiring, I found out that she has more pain in the afternoon. Initially, when the complaint started, it was more in the night, but since taking all treatments, the pain has shifted in the afternoon. It is more by any work, any movement, and it is ameliorated by some continuous work. Okay, so continuous movement ameliorates a little pain, but not to that intensity. This is his main chief complaint. Second complaint, she was having this irregular menses. She is a reproductive female, so she has two pregnancies and two abortions. History of two abortions and two pregnancies. And she also tells me the complaint had started after taking contraceptive injections. So her arthritis had started after she has taken contraceptive injections and after that 2 to 4 months it has started according to patient. This was her chief complaint. Then I inquired about the personal history. The personal history says कि डॉक्टर मुझे दूध पीना बहुत पसंद है. So I took Desire milk. She was very sleepless. So she said कि रात के 2 बजे तक नींद आता ही नहीं है और ये बहुत दिन से चल रहा है, लगभग 2-3 सालों से ऐसा हो रहा है. और आई इंक्वायर्ड और कब से हो रहा है ये सब चीज़ें. शादी के बाद से तो नींद खराब ही है, 2-3 बजे तक नींद आता ही नहीं. देन अदर कंप्लेंट्स वेयर हर फीट वेर वेरी आइसी कोल्ड. सेंस कि जब से ये जॉइंट पेन का शिकायत है तब से पैर ठंडे पड़ जा रहे हैं बहुत. एंड व्हेन आई टच द फीट दे वर आइसी कोल्ड. अनदर फिजिकल जनरल दैट आई इंक्वायर्ड वाज शी वाज हैविंग नॉशिया. डॉक्टर साहब ये शी वाज कमिंग फ्रॉम 200 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस अवे फ्रॉम माई क्लिनिक. सो शी सेड डॉक्टर साहब मैं आ नहीं पाऊंगी अब यहाँ से आई हूँ. क्यों? क्योंकि ये गाड़ी का सफ़र ना मुझे बहुत तकलीफ करता है. क्या तकलीफ करता है आपको ये गाड़ी का सफ़र? तो इसमें मुझे उल्टी होता है, बहुत बहुत एसिडिटी होता है, बहुत चक्कर आते हैं. तो ये हर बार का प्रॉब्लम है. तो ये किसी भी गाड़ी से जाओ, कार से जाओ, बस से जाओ, ट्रेन से जाओ, ये मुझको सफ़र नहीं हो पाता है. दीज वेर आर फिजिकल जनरल्स. सो आई सेड you are just 26 years old and why are you suffering from this arthritis? There must be some mental tension, stress in your life. Sleep is also disturbed since marriage. So what is the problem? Is there any problem with your husband? She says, no doctor, my husband is very good and very supportive. My family is also good and supportive, but they are little poor. Then who is the problem? She said, ससुर का बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. I said, क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपको? बात बात पे ताने देते हैं. हर एक्सप्रेशंस चेंज सडनली. ताने देते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, ये काम नहीं हुआ, वो काम नहीं हुआ. ये बात बात पे ना मुझे. एक बार तो डॉक्टर ऐसा हुआ कि मेरी पूरी फैमिली आई हुई थी, मेरे रिलेटिव्स आए हुए थे और मुझे उन्होंने उसके सब लोगों के बीच बुलाया और कहा कि ये क्या आपने कुक किया है, ये कैसा कुक किया है, आपको कुछ आता नहीं है. और बहुत मुझे बोला. तो जब ये हर रोज़ ताने देते थे तो तब तक तो ये ठीक रहता था. लेकिन तब से ना मुझे उनके पे बहुत गुस्सा है, ऐसा लगता है कि मुंह तोड़ दूंगा. So these were her expressions. Suddenly she was very mild and polite initially, and after that she said, मुंह तोड़ दूं उसका. मैंने कहा फिर आप क्या करती है जब इतना आपको गुस्सा आता है तब? कुछ नहीं ना डॉक्टर साहब, कुछ कर नहीं पाते, ससुर है, क्या उनको बोले. तो हस्बैंड भी बोलते हैं कि थोड़े ओल्ड एज हो गए हैं, आप संभाल कर ले लो. तो ससुर के सामने हम मैं क्या बताऊँ, तो मैं गुस्सा पी जाती हूँ. लिटरली हर एक्सप्रेशन में पी जाती हूँ गुस्सा, इतना गुस्सा आता है. एट दैट मोमेंट ऑल्सो शी वॉज सो एंग्री एंड शी काइंड ऑफ swallowed द एंगर देयर ऑल्सो. गुस्सा पी जाना पड़ता है, और इस ये बात मुझे बार बार परेशान करती है. तो देन आई आस्क्ड हर कि क्या आपको इसमें आपकी इज्जत को रौंदा है या इज्जत को कम किया है, ऐसा लगता है? हाँ डॉक्टर साहब, ऐसा लगता है कि हर रोज़ मुझे इंसल्ट किया जाता है, मेरी इज्जत को कम किया जाता है घर में बाहर, और ये करके भी 4 लोगों के सामने भी मुझे इज्जत को मेरे कम किया जाता है बाहर जाकर बोलकर. So this was her main cause of getting disease. So many patients of arthritis will come to you who will have this issue. Particularly this issue is about anger. So they are very angry. If you take the history, they will have history of insults lot of the time, and they will have this joints pain. So this was the case. So I took the totality. One more thing that she told कि when I get too much angry, जब मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है तो अचानक मैं चक्कर आकर गिर जाती हूँ उस गुस्से में. वैसे और भी गुस्सा आता है? हाँ, जब मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है तो चक्कर आकर मैं गिर जाती हूँ उसी जगह पे. So this was also very characteristic. In anger she is fainting. So then I took the totality: fainting from anger, anger suppressed, desire for milk, nausea and vomiting or car sickness, coldness of feet. The totality was taken, and the remedy that was coming is a very simple remedy, more useful remedy in cases of arthritis. I think lot of cases are treated with this medicine, and the medicine is Staphysagrina. Okay, so but the first prescription that I did was not Staphysagrina, it was cortisone 200. The first prescription. The reason for that was she has taken steroids and she has taken Kenacort injections, and her face had become very puffy. Okay, so sometimes there is a dynamic obstacle that obstructs your medicine. So just to be sure and to remove that dynamic obstacle, considering the puffy face and the history of use of steroids, I prescribed her cortisone 200, 3 doses initially for the first 8 days, and then I started with Staphysagrina and Eloquence, and the result was very marvelous. The pain subsided nearly in 1 month. Then slowly her swelling of the joints reduced after 3 months, and in about 1 year she was absolutely free from all the joint pains. Okay, and because she was coming from a distant village, she herself discontinued the medicine. But even when she calls now, she sends her sister and other patients also. She says she is absolutely fine and having no problem with joints whatsoever. So you see how anger affects your health and affects your joints specifically. So I think the best thing is to leave anger. गुस्सा भूल जाइए और सेहतमंद रहिए. Thank you very much.